everyone. This video is on the topic profit and loss, and it is especially for class 6 to class 8 students. Okay, my name is Anuradha. Come on, let's go into the video. Okay, profit and loss. We are going to discuss some of the problems based on this topic. Before going to the problem, we should know certain terms in this topic. See, and those terms are CP, it is the short form for cost price. SP is short form for selling price. So it's cost price, selling price, profit, loss, profit percent and loss percent. So I will explain all these terms with the help of an example. A shopkeeper, he buys some bags. He buys some bags for, buys some bags at, let us say, 50 rupees each. Some bags is buying for 50 rupees each. He sells it at 70 rupees per bag. The question will be, what is his profit? Now a shopkeeper buys some bags at 50 rupees each. Okay, each bag costs 50 rupees. He sells it at rupees 70 per bag. So what is his profit? See, if there is a problem like this, you should know what is the CP. Here the shopkeeper is buying the bag at 50 rupees. From whom? From a wholesale dealer or from a manufacturer. Okay. So this amount is paid by the shopkeeper. So this is called the cost price. Cost price is 50 rupees. Okay. Now the shopkeeper buys, he is running a shop and he sells this bags at rupees 70 for each bag to his customers. Okay. So it is his selling price. Selling price is 70 rupees. Now if you see, the selling price is more than the cost price. So he is selling it for a more price, so he will be getting a profit. He is getting 20 rupees, which is a profit for him. So a profit is something he gets when he sells a product more than the cost price. So a profit equals to the selling price, which is larger. From the selling price, if you minus the cost price, you will get the profit. Is that clear? Now let us go to, in the same problem I make some changes, like the shopkeeper finds some of the bags defective and he has to sell it at a lower price than the cost price. Let us say, for example, he is selling it for 40 rupees per bag. So the question will be, what is his loss? What is his loss? So here the cost price doesn't change. It is 50 rupees. He bought it from the wholesale dealer or the manufacturer. Selling price is not 70. In this case it is 40. So if you minus 40 from 50, you will get 10 rupees, which is a loss for the shopkeeper. So a loss is something. Loss is the amount he gets after selling his product at a lower price than the cost price. So the cost price will be more here. Cost price minus selling price is the loss. So did you get it? Now we have discussed what is the cost price, what is selling price, what is profit, in other words it is called gain, and what is loss. And that is something called profit percentage and loss percentage. So what is profit percentage? We have to express the profit in percentage. Percent means per 100, out of 100. So why we should express it in percentage? Because expressing the sales in percentage will help a shopkeeper to compare his sales on different days. Like yesterday it was this much percentage and today it has gone down or it has gone up. Like for comparison purpose, we have to express a profit or loss in percentage. Okay, so how to get the percentage? Okay, right. Here the same problem. The shopkeeper buys some bags at 50 and he sells it at rupees 40 per bag. And what is his loss percentage? Not only you have to find out the loss, you have to find out the loss percentage. So how to find out? Same procedure, cost price is 40, selling price is, cost price is 50, selling price is 40. His loss is 10 rupees. Loss, first you have to find out the loss. The loss is cost price minus selling price. So he is getting a loss of 10 rupees out of how much rupees? Out of his cost price, isn't it? 50 rupees he bought it, but he was getting a loss of 10 rupees in this 50 rupees. So out of 50 it is 10 rupees. Then what will be out of 100? So this is his loss percentage. So how to find out? Chances is 0. So 5 2s are 10. 2 into 10 will be 20. So you have to write it like this, 20 percentage. The shopkeeper has got 20% loss. It is not 20 rupees loss, it is 10 rupees loss, but 20%. For 50 rupees it is 10 and for 100 rupees it will be 20. Is that clear? Okay. This is loss percentage and profit percentage. In the same way you have to find out. Like we will go to the previous let's go to the previous figures. Like he is selling it for 70 rupees. What is his profit percentage? So his profit percentage will be his profit. First you have to find out what is his profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to selling price is 70 rupees minus cost price is 50 rupees, which is equal to rupees 20. Is that clear? So he has got 20 rupees profit out of 50 rupees. So same thing, 20 rupees out of 50 rupees. So it is profit percent is 20 rupees out of 50. Therefore for 100 rupees, what is his profit? So 4 into 10 will make 40%. So this shopkeeper gets a 40% profit in his sale. Fine? Yes. Now let us see this problem. Here the shopkeeper buys some bags at rupees 50 each. He sells each bag at 20% profit. So what is the selling price? Here is, remember, he has given 20% profit, not 20 rupees. If it is 20 rupees, it is very easy to find. You know how to find out, right? Here we must know the selling price. There is a formula for that. Selling price equals to 100 plus, if it is a profit, it is 100 plus the gain percent. Gain percent by 100 into cost price. You want to know the selling price? It will be into cost price. Right. We know all these figures from the question, right? It is 100 plus what is the gain percent? It is 20%. 20 by 100 into what is the cost price? It is 50 rupees, which is equal to 120 by 100 into 50 is equal to 250s are 160. So rupees 60 is the selling price. Hope you understood this. Selling price, when there is a profit percent, the formula is 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into cost price. In case if it is a loss percent, instead of 20% profit, he is getting 20%. He is selling it at a loss of 20%. Let us see what happens. 20% loss. So what is the selling price? Here a simple change, that's all. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent. Minus loss percent into cost price, which is 100 minus 20 into 50. 100 minus 20 will be 80 by 100 into 50. It is 40 rupees. Rupees 40. Got it? Understood? So if it is a loss, then 100 minus loss percent. If it is a profit, then it is 100 plus profit percent. That is the difference. Okay. Now this is the selling price you have to find out. In case you have to find out the cost price, there is a different formula for that. So that also you should remember. So I am just changing the same problem. Shopkeeper sells some bags for rupees 70 each bag. Okay, the shopkeeper sells some bags for rupees 70 each, at the profit is 40% profit. At what price he purchased the bags? That is the cost price of the bags. So at what price he purchased the bags? You have to find out the cost price. So the cost price equals to, here the formula is 100 by, same the reverse, 100 plus gain into, we know the selling price, right, into selling price, which is equals to 100 by, what is 100 plus gain? 140%. 140 into the selling price is 70. So now the cost price equals to 50 rupees. I hope you understood this. Only a slight change in the formula. Cost price equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. So 100 by 140 into 70 makes 50 rupees. 50 rupees is his cost price and he sells it at 70 rupees. He is getting a profit of 40%. Is it clear? Okay. The same thing, if there is a loss, you just have to minus the loss. If it is a loss percent given, you have to minus the loss. CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into the SP. So you have to remember this formula when you are, where you are asked to find out the cost price or the selling price when a profit percent or a loss percent is given instead of profit or loss. Okay, so I'll discuss some more difficult sums or complex sums in my next video. Bye bye.